In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT and Gamma AI 2026 step by step. We'll start in ChatGPT, where you'll generate the core content for your presentation or carousel. Open ChatGPT and enter a clear prompt like, create a 7-slide carousel about social media tips with short text per slide. In seconds, you should receive a structured outline that includes headlines, concise copy for each slide, and a logical flow from start to finish. This gives you a strong foundation before you move into design. Next, refine the content right inside ChatGPT. Ask for improvements such as make it shorter, make it more engaging, or add a strong hook and CTA. Aim for short, punchy lines and clear takeaways. This matters because Gamma works best with concise text blocks. It keeps slides readable and visually balanced without overwhelming your audience. When you're happy with the copy the final output and make sure it's neatly labeled by slide. Use a simple sequence like slide 1, slide 2, and so on. That structure will help Gamma parse your content correctly and speed up the build process. Now open Gamma and click Create New. You can either let Gamma's AI assemble the deck for you, or build it manually depending on how hands-on you want to be. If you choose to generate with AI, paste a prompt such as, create a presentation using this content, paste ChatGPT output. Gamma will scan your text and map it to slides automatically. Prefer manual control? Add cards or slides one by one, and paste the corresponding text for each slide. Gamma will then take care of initial design. It will format slides, suggest layouts, and even surface visual ideas. From there, choose a theme that matches your brand or topic, and adjust fonts and colors for contrast and readability. Keep headlines large, body text minimal, and spacing generous. Enhance your deck with images. You can use built-in libraries or AI-generated visuals. Aim for a consistent style across slides and choose images that support the message rather than distract from it. Do a final polish, shorten any long lines, fix spacing, and align elements for a clean, professional finish. Keep one key idea per slide and make sure every slide has a clear purpose. When you're ready, export or share. You can share a link without a watermark, export to PDF or images, or even turn the deck into a video. Always preview your result on desktop and mobile to ensure everything looks great.